Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have multiple work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Fox News Media. They're looking for a freelance video editor. It pays up to $38.22 an hour. Overview of the company: Fox News Media. Fox News Media operates the Fox News Channel, Fox Business Network, Fox News Digital, Fox News Audio, Fox News Books, the direct-to-consumer digital streaming services Fox Nation and Fox News International, and the newly announced platform Fox Weather. Currently the #1 network in all of cable, FNC has also been the most watched television news channel for 20 consecutive years, while FBN currently ranks among the top business channels on cable. Owned by Fox Corporation, Fox News Media reaches 200 million people each month. Job description: we are looking for a freelance video editor to join our Fox News family. As a freelance video editor, you are part of a collaborative team effort to provide highly creative and technically sound content across multiple platforms for Fox News entities. The freelance video editor is a team player who will deliver creative and technically sound content. You will be challenged to think on your feet and offer solutions to diverse requests in a fast-paced news environment. A snapshot of your responsibilities: work on a variety of programs delivering distinctive and stylized work under demanding deadlines across all platforms. Display initiative and focus to remain as productive as possible when working either collaboratively or independently. Serve as the last line of defense on all audio, video requirements so no technical or editorial mistakes occur on air. What you will need: a passion for news and have demonstrated knowledge of current events. 2-5 years of experience in nonlinear editing Adobe Premiere Pro. Ability to turn raw video into dynamic news packages and create broadcast quality pieces very quickly in a 24-hour breaking news environment. A sharp eye for detail and can work seamlessly and quickly on nonlinear editing platforms. Proficiency in Adobe Photoshop and After Effects. Knowledge of Boris and Red Giant plugins. Creative, enthusiastic, solution-oriented, team player who is flexible with their work schedule, including early mornings, evenings, weekends, and overnights. Include a link to your reel along with your resume. Demonstrated editorial news judgment and broadcast experience. Availability for both weekend and overnight shifts. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Fox Media. They're looking for a music coordinator. It pays up to $26.20 an hour. Fox is looking for a music coordinator to join our Fox Entertainment music team. As the music coordinator, you will be well versed in project management as it pertains to music with strong communication and research skills. You have the ability to prioritize and manage time effectively is absolutely crucial with tight turnarounds and deadlines. A snapshot of your responsibilities: assist the EVP plus VP of music at full capacity. Serve as music production point person for music-intensive network projects, mediating closely between BA, legal, production, and marketing teams to ensure initiatives and activations are legally sound. Facilitate and archive music licenses, songwriter agreements, producer agreements, composer agreements, and oversee invoicing. Create, update, and manage reference charts for productions, breaking down key music dates. Production timelines, budgetary overviews. Track payments on all TV music licenses in conjunction with music supervisors and clearance teams. Oversee and manage audio assets and deliverables along with facilitating respective agreements from score to original songs for registration and archive purposes. Supervise promo and programming cue sheets OBO Fox and 2x from ingesting to QC to reporting. Organize and maintain license tracking information and promo flight dates. Manage Fox-owned original music library via source audio, tagging tracks and curating audio assets. Develop data for music budgeting and records tracking. create presentations and documents using PowerPoint and Keynote, assist with departmental projects and events as needed. What you will need: basic math is needed for budgeting and negotiations, knowledge of computer software such as Microsoft Word and Excel, and music cataloging software including iTunes, Disco, and Source Audio, knowledge of music licensing, supervision, television production, marketing, music theory, and the recording process, previous entertainment agency or production experience, team player who operates in a fast-paced setting, understanding of how to prioritize and respond accordingly to changing business needs, excellent communication and follow-up skills, ability to multitask, ability to organize and establish administrative procedures independently, draft correspondence and reports, and work under pressure, ability to handle confidential information and interact with high-level executives. Nice to have, but not a deal breaker. Bachelor's degree.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 2 so you can apply
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this video and every single
day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Hulkin. They're looking for a data entry specialist. It pays up to $72,000 per year. Fox News Digital is looking for an associate editor to report, write, and edit original lifestyle content, primarily in the Americana, food and drink, travel, great outdoors, and real estate sections. The candidate will work alongside a dedicated and growing team to report on lifestyle-themed news stories of interest to the Fox News and Fox Business audiences. Snapshot of your responsibilities. Work efficiently to identify, report, write, edit, and publish daily lifestyle articles. Report on news that pertains to lifestyle verticals under strict deadline pressures. Monitor Google Trends, social media, wire services, etc. to stay up to date on breaking and trending news. Identify material from partner sites and affiliates that would be of interest to the audience, edit accordingly. Monitor site traffic and analytics to maximize page views, unique users, and media initiate. Formulate lifestyle pitches for longer-term pieces, research and gather information, elements for evergreen or longer-form stories. Research, write, and contribute articles to ongoing feature series. Update the lifestyle social media accounts and/or assist with newsletters and landing pages. What you will need: bachelor's degree in journalism or related field of study is preferred, or equivalent experience. Experience in a digital newsroom reporting, writing, and editing content for travel, food, Americana, or lifestyle verticals. Strong background in reporting and writing hard news and breaking news preferred. We create content for lifestyle verticals, but often with a hard news edge. Familiarity with Photoshop or photo editing software. Thorough knowledge of Associated Press style guide. Ability to work independently and efficiently during weekend shifts. Excellent communication skills, good team player.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 3 so you can apply
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.